Hello viewers, welcome to Manjunath Trading Channel. Today we are going to talk about financial markets and their types. Before we start this video, please do subscribe our channel. For the notifications, tap the bell icon. Simply, financial market means where people and the companies together to trade financial securities. Here securities are equity shares, bonds, metals like gold and silver, derivatives, etc. Let's go some deep into the concept. It's very simple to understand financial markets. Before investing money into the share market, you have to invest some time to this video because this video helps you to how to invest and where to invest. Let's start. There are some types of financial markets. Money market, capital market. Money market is nothing but debt market and capital market is nothing but equity market. Capital market further again categorized by primary market and secondary market. Here financial markets are simply you have a best friend. He is having good business ideas and he is very capable to do business also. But the problem is he is not having sufficient money to do business. You have trust on him and you have some money to do business. In the same time, you are seeking to invest your amount to improve your funds. But you have no idea and you have no time to invest your funds. Here, you and your friends can meet up and do the business. Now the returns come to you in two options. Option 1 is you have given 10 lakhs to your friend at the rate of 12% per annum as interest for the period of 5 years. And option 2, you have given amount, in the return you are asking 50% share. If the company gives profits, in that you have to ask 50% share with your friend. If the company losses, you have to bear 50% losses in the company. Option 1 is money market and option 2 is capital market. If you see in large scale, money markets produces bonds like central government bonds, state government bonds, corporate bonds. It's likely the time will be 1 year to 30 years. When a company go for the money market or a capital market. For example, now if you start a business in Andhra Pradesh that you have invested 1 crore rupees in the business, you are getting 20 lakhs per annum as profit. Now you need to expand your business in another 2 states. For the expansion, you need 2 more crores. If you take loan from the banks, the interest rates will be very high. Then you decide those who invest that 2 crores amount, let's give some share in the company. Because the interest that bank loan, we have to pay it in time to time. Now, you should give only share in the profits of the financial year. In this type of situations, companies go for the capital markets. In another scenario, you are running a company with a 10 crore investment, very huge investment. Here, you need to renovate or construct a factory in your business area. For that purpose, you need some amount like 1 crore or 2 crores. For the small amount for your investment, giving share in the company is not good for the business. Then you go for the loan in the bank or any personal loan. In this type of situations, companies go for the money markets. Before I said, in the company capital market, there will be primary market, secondary market. In the primary market, direct relationship between company and the investor. In the secondary market, the trading will be done between investor to investor. In the primary market, through initial public offering, investors can buy shares directly from the company. After buying shares from the IPO, the company registers with NSE or BSE. Through this, in the secondary market, buyers who buy shares in the IPO can sell their shares to investors who are seeking to buy your shares. This is basics on financial markets. If you like my video, please click on the like button. For knowing more updates about our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.